Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problems on LinkedIn. To know how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to the window of LinkedIn. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. And here in this page, you can go to Play Store. You will find the LinkedIn job and the business news as you see, and you can click uninstall and you can uninstall it again to fix that problem you have on LinkedIn. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.